Today on Ask the Expert, I am here at Rewind Trichology Hair Loss Clinic, and I'm here with Jordan Palmer and with Lauren Boone. Guys, thanks for having us back. We appreciate it. So today we're going to be talking about hair loss, men and women.
Yes.
Let's talk specifically about Folix, first of all. I hear about this, I've heard about it, and I've heard wonderful things.
Yeah,
But
we've had
tell us.
wonderful success with it. That was last year, the first FDA-approved device for complete hair restoration. So we still use that every single day.
Okay.
But we have our own in-house treatment. It has exosomes and growth factors in it that we microneedle into your skin. And most recently, we got a really advanced serum from South Korea. It has additional exosomes, growth factors, and some other things in it that makes it a lot more potent.
Yes.
So it's specifically targeted for people that have DHT or genetic hair loss.
Okay.
And for diffuse hair loss. And that's just general hair loss on the top of your head for no apparent reason.
Okay. And who's a good candidate for this?
Anyone, men or women. Folix, we were initially told that we couldn't treat anyone below 18. So we revisited that with the manufacturer. Now we have patients that are 14 to 18 years old.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, we apply our therapy and then they do 5 minutes with this cap.
Okay.
And this cap is the only reason you would buy a low-level laser therapy cap is to activate a serum.
Okay, so what is the cap, Lauren? Like, what does that do?
This actually, like Jordan just mentioned, activates those advanced serums that we use to get those exosomes working in the scalp. And the only other reason it would ever be used is for inflammation of the scalp.
Okay,
Absolutely.
all right. And for someone who is interested in coming in and talking with you about this, what do they need to do? Call, make an appointment?
They can book an appointment free on our website, or they can give us a call. Consultations are always free, and we love seeing and talking to people.
Wonderful. Well, guys, thanks so much for having us. We appreciate it.
Thanks for being here.